Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to email Amazon's customer service. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon's website. Now, once you're in the website, make sure you're signed into your account. Now, click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Here, you can see an option Customer Service under Your Orders. Click on it. Here on this page, scroll all the way down until you see something else option. Here, click on I need more help. Now, in this page, you can see Send an email option. Simply click on it. Now, describe in detail about your issue and send an email. Since I don't have any issue with Amazon, and that's it. That's how you can send an email to Amazon customer service. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.